Hello guys and welcome back to Those Four South Park Kids. Today we're going to be playing, what's the word, yes, teardown. We did a teardown special a while ago, but I think we should do another teardown video because, well, it was fun. And right now I'm sitting in my dad's office, and it's amazingly big. Just to let you guys know. Oh, so those are sports connections card. Let's get right into the video. Okay, sorry guys. I was just looking at stuff. How about we see what is new? If you like this content, that we're posting. Sorry, that was my mom. If you like this content that we're posting. Yeah. If you like in the comments section below, I'm so sorry, I'm stumbling, guys. Write down, type in the comment section what more videos would you like to see? Would you like to see me play online school games or online games or Roblox, anything you people desire, why not? Okay, so we're not gonna check that. What should we play? Fortnite Eclipses stay on here. Not Rick and Morty. I don't know, oh, train DLC. Alright. Let's start off with something like this and we'll spawn in stuff from there. Always remember to like and subscribe and comment down below hashtag we love South Park. That would really mean a lot to me. You gotta be joking me. Guys, you wanna know what I just found? My daddy's keeping a PC. I may be able to boost up my performance. Or at least on this. GR. Oh, hey. Those aren't even train tracks. Alright guys, let's see if I can find the train DLC. Train DLC. Where is it? Oh, there it is, guys. Huh. Does it drive? Oh! Guys, it flipping drives. Chugga chugga choo choo! I'm about to drift with the train. Oh. Guys, I just got a genius idea. Here, I'm just... Okay. Let's explore this. There's a radioactive barrel. Oh, guys, when it said radioactive, it was not lying. Ooh. Okay, we got the explosive, and we got the radioactive. Let's have some fun. Well, first of all, which... Oh, that's a treasure. Okay, that's gone. We're not gonna use that. We can use the vehicles though. It's a weapon fright. I will send you to... Alright guys. Just like the Team Fortress 2 one, this has blood. So, if, like, you don't want to watch this, then you don't have to. I have army, law enforcement people. Yeah, do that. Okay, well, now that that is clear, let's see, my favorite. Now, what I want to test is what happens. To turn into the Incredible Hulk. Oh, that is like a megaton. Why? Is that a thing? Yeah, train DLC. Alright, let's move this into alignment. And let's get this party going. This, my friend, is for poor people, and you're obviously poor. Stay poor carriage. As you can see, it's... Oh, that's a train bathroom. As you can see, it's totally the poor carriage. Sorry for the turbulence. Everyone's strapped in the core carriage ready to go. So I don't really care if you are. This is the city's way of saying you're not paying your taxes because you're broke, and if you want to ride the train, you have to pay for it. Yeah, you're using the bathroom. Your complimentary bathroom. Something like that. Done. Now see, people with a shirt are, yes, well-respected class citizens. It's not racist, guys. Okay, I'm going to take that back. Those are poor, these are rich. You poor peoples. Open the bathroom. Because that wasn't the bathroom. Okay. But it's not, guys. So I'm sorry if I offended any of you. I'm sorry. But these guys have money, and those guys don't. So it'll be fine. Move out of the way, peasants. We have arrived at our destination. I hope you have enjoyed your time at Skippy. Whatever this is. No one died back here? I'm mildly disappointed. Oh well. Maybe you guys just stand right there. Where was it? Oh, it's right here, guys. No, I don't want the radioactive one. So, I wish. You heard did my train ignite on flame? I'm so sorry. It's really did you not die? How are none of you dead? Okay. Oh, they're gonna want to sue me. Oh wait, they can't. You're broke. Get out of my have to short train. How about we fix this? Trains cost a lot of money. This game is really fun though. Oh, Alexander. It's teardown. Do you want to say hi to the viewers?
Oh, hi. What are you doing? Why are you bloody?
So, I blew up a train.
Why a train?
'Cause
Where did you even spawn the train from?
I got a train. Yes.
Will you just spawn anything?
Give me a minute.
And where's the house?
So, what if I told you I blew that up?
Yeah, that's it.
Chugga chugga choo choo. Alexander, can you close the door?
Hey, Alexander?
Can you close the door?
Yeah?
Okay. Well, we poor train lines are sorry about this. We will move you to another train immediately. Welcome to Broke Airlines. Welcome to Broke Train Lines. You may know us from the Broke franchise of train lines. The reason why we're called Broke is because we have no money. Our airlines suck. Sorry if anything happens. We try to get the most class, maybe not the most class, maybe not the most class in the world, but in Broke Airlines,
How
we
was
will...
that?
Alexander, get out of here. We kind of value our customers. I'm just gonna leave that right there. Why, you may ask? Well, it powers the fuel. It's very risky with people inside. Maybe like someone might bump into it and boom. You know, risk. I don't really need to leave the wrist. Just get in there. You want to use the bathroom. Here, in there. It's probably the most safe. Our company. Because the bathrooms are behind a pretty strong door, if you ask me. don't know why, but I'm pretty sure we, I can't afford to clean that up, so out the window you go. The next person who uses this will have smell best. Oh. Oop, your hand is okay. Actually, why would I say I hope that? You're probably dead. Alright, this is almost the end of the video. I'm going to take care of this damage auto. State policy, all doors must be shut. I don't care. Listen. We're here. Oh! I legally have to see how many survivors. Yeah. Okay. Who touched it? Literally said do not touch. You guys rolling, I swear to God. I'm so sorry about that. Pretty much. Everybody. I don't know. Okay, that's gone. You're not dead. Good. Oh. K4 bodies. Get out of here. Okay, thank you for tuning in, guys. That's gonna be the end of the video. So, thank you so much for staying with me on this journey. Bye!